which patrons pay well to be pleasured by the bravest champions.
Brother sent assassins, but I didn't think he would send his best.
Maximus,
My family was burned and crucified while they were still alive.
I knew nothing.
Don't lie to me.
I wept for them.
Like you wept for your father? Like you wept for your father?
I have been living in a prison of fear since that day. To be unable to mourn your own father's death for fear of your brother. To live in terror every moment of every day because your son is the heir to the throne. Oh, I have wept.
My son was innocent.
So is mine. Must my son die too before you'll trust me?
It doesn't matter if I trust you or not.
God has spared you. Don't you understand? Today I saw a slave become more powerful than the Emperor of Rome.
The gods have spared me. I'm at their mercy with the power only to amuse a mob.
That is power. The mob is Rome. And while Commodus controls them, he controls everything. Listen to me. My brother has enemies, most of all in the Senate. And while the people will follow him, they'd never dare stand up against him until you.
They oppose him, and yet they do nothing.
They need a leader. There are some politicians who have dedicated their lives to Rome. Most of all one. If I can arrange it, will you meet with him?
Do you not understand? I may die in this cell tonight, or in an arena tomorrow. I am a slave. What possible difference can I make?
He wants what you want.
Then have him kill Commodus.
I knew a man once. A noble man. A man with principle who loved my father, and my father loved him. This man served Rome well.
The man is gone. Your brother did his work well.
Let me help you.
What is your son's name?
Lucius Verus, like his father.
I'll weep for him. Forget you ever saw me. Don't come back here again. Guard! The lady is finished with me.